Successfully bringing a product to market means everyone has to be on the same page, working from the same information, so that when issues come up, they're resolved quickly. As part of cloud services, issue management allows you to quickly filter those issues by product. With a simple drag and drop, you can visualize any challenges that have been identified by anyone on your team. Product location tags provide feedback on what the challenge is and who identified it. And comments allow for quick feedback that remains connected to the task at hand, not lost in an email. Issues can be easily updated by dragging them to the appropriate status, and if you need more information, it's accessible with a double click. The detailed description and recommended actions are outlined, the CAD items are referenced, and supporting notes, like this markup, can provide clear feedback on changes that need to be made. To ensure no one is duplicating work, issues can be assigned to specific people. And if it's determined that a formal change process needs to be initiated, you can quickly transition the issue into a change action. Keep your whole team on the same page with issue management, part of cloud services available for new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS subscriptions.